Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to part 2 of how to make a server. This is the last one because there's only 2 parts on how to make the server. So, now to join your server, it's simple and easy. Just like 3 steps. Four. First, open Minecraft Launcher. Second, play. And then third, do five steps. So third, do command prompt. And then fourth, do IP config. And then the last step, copy this, just highlight this, and then just do Control-C to copy. So once you have that copied, and then go to Minecraft, go to multiplayer, and then go to add server, and then Control-V to paste. So this will be your IP to your server. So it says you left some space here. Just do that, and then done. And then now if it says can't connect to server, that means you didn't turn it on yet. So I just press double click paper.jar. Just wait. It'll turn on. It's right now doing some programs. There we go. So let that start, and refresh. And then there it is. Your own Minecraft server right here. And there we go. So, as you can see, you're not OP'd. So, just simply go in the log and chat, and type in, click this text bar, type in OP, and then the username that pops up over here. I'll do my username, done, and emperor 7405, and then it says right here, made or done emperor 7405, a server operator. So you can go back in here. Now you saw that in the chat, right? In the chat, and let's see. Server made or done emperor, server operator. And that means you are an operator. So let's change to game mode creative, and there it is. I'll be recording a video on how to do a survival speedrun, but you need friends. So yeah. And yeah, thanks for watching this part 2 of how to make a server for free.